In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Navy Federal Credit Union customer support through phone, chat, and email. Whether you need assistance with your account or you just have a few questions, knowing how to reach out to customer support is key. So let's dive right in and break down the methods you can use to contact them effectively. First, navigate to the Navy Federal Credit Union's website. This is your central hub for finding contact information, so it's important to get comfortable with their digital space. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu. Look for a link labeled Contact Us. It's typically located either at the top or bottom of the page, allowing easy access. Clicking on this link will direct you to the specific page designed for customer interactions. Now, when you land on this page, you'll notice a variety of contact options tailored to suit different needs and preferences. Let's break them down for clarity. The page is divided into sections that clearly outline the avenues you can take. Let's start with the phone contact option. You'll find a list of customer service numbers you can call. Each number serves different purposes, such as general inquiries or specific concerns like loans and accounts. Make sure you listen carefully to the automated menu when you call. This will help direct your call to the right department quickly, saving you time and effort. If phone calls aren't your preferred method, chat support is a fantastic alternative. Navy Federal offers a live chat feature available directly on their site. This option is typically available during business hours, making it convenient if you're handling other tasks and prefer typing out your questions or issues. Look for the chat icon, often represented by a small speech bubble, and click to initiate a conversation with a representative. This method is particularly useful if you need help navigating the website or have a simple query. Finally, we have the email option. This is ideal for non-urgent queries where you can wait for a response. On the Contact Us page, you'll find a form or email address you can use to submit your questions or concerns. When opting for email, be detailed and concise in your message to receive the most accurate assistance possible. Include any necessary information, such as your account number, but avoid sharing sensitive information like passwords via email for security reasons. In conclusion, Navy Federal Credit Union provides multiple ways to reach out to them, ensuring that you can choose the method that suits you best. Whether you prefer calling, chatting, or emailing, the process is straightforward and designed to get you the help you need efficiently. Make sure to save this contact information for future reference and feel confident in reaching out whenever you need support. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.